Hey, I'm Ryan Reynolds, co-chairman of Wrexham AFC.
I'm Rob McElhenney, also co-chairman of Wrexham AFC. And we're so excited to announce HP as the official technology sponsor of Wrexham that we decided to do it on HP technology.
Technology we totally understand.
Right. And we also made a video to show you just how excited we are.
And to help you understand the complexities of a technology partnership that we already understand.
Let's take a look.
Technology.
Connectivity.
Computery.
Toner, probably.
Bionic legs.
Wireframe.
Data.
Robo-sheep.
Robo-sheep with laser eyes.
IT.
AFC.
HP.
OMG.
Yeah.
Look, HP literally invented Silicon Valley. I think they'll figure the specifics out.
Robo-sheep would be so cool.